a 1986 19,000 BTU Friedrich Quietmaster. It is a very nice air conditioner. It's a refurbished unit, actually. It's really cool. It's controlled by a switch because I have to get on the ladder for this.
The rest of it's a drive.
Beautiful unit.
Okay.
One of the vents doesn't work, of course, since typically Quietmaster.
Okay.
Give you a look while the door is closed. Let's give you a look from down here. This is what it looks like when you have no doors open. So it's a really nice unit. So here's the outside of it. Surprisingly, this was in a 90s Quietmaster replaced this. So it actually has a tag that actually has it yellowed. I'll get you guys a better look in a minute. There's a good look at that tag. See how it's not yellowed? You can see the coils are a little banged up, but that's okay. Nothing that film code can fix. It has a pan because this thing condensates like crazy. Just drains down there somewhere. There's also an exhaust fan over there that's broken. I might have to fix that. So yeah, let's start her up. Okay, we're gonna start it up. Here we go. There it goes. She's on medium cool right now. I can already feel it from here. She's pushing cold air. Too bad I forgot my temp gun. I'll try to get temps one day. It's like, if I knew I was coming here today, I would have brought it. Here. Let's go outside. It sounds like it hasn't even built head pressure yet, but when it does, it sounds epic. There it goes. Building head pressure. Start to. Takes a minute. Probably because this thing has a RAM for a month or two. Give it a minute. Okay, now the compressor has settled, and now you can really hear the pump really nicely. The 18K rotary. When it first starts up, it kind of sounds like a rotary, like by its higher, kind of like a recip, sort of like, but it's a rotary. Already starting to heat up in here. I think has a full charge on it with R22. Put it in. But let's shut it down and I'm going to we'll examine the specs and everything. You can already hear Freon going through it. Here's those. Read those if you want. This is like one of the first vintage units I have. It's really nice. I love this thing. It's probably, yeah. It's a 220 volt unit, of course. We'll take the cover off. I'll be back in a second. Okay, a few seconds later, I got the cover off the unit. And now we can check out the specs. I'll read you guys off the specs of the unit. Oh, God. Okay, I have to get up one more just to get the, look at that, I just like to grab onto the things to get myself up without killing myself. Okay, let's start reading off the cooling data. Okay, so it has 9.5 EER, which is really good for its time, considering my higher has a 9.2. It's a 19,000 BTU unit, has no heat, of course. It's cool as 2,000. I don't know what that's supposed to is. But now let's get back. Date September 1986. That's when it was made. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna take a few pictures of this and we'll be back. The filter's pretty dirty. Here is the plug. It's a 220. It might need a new one soon. Starting to get molded pug disease, perhaps. Get that thing. Okay. Let's start up on low cool.
You're not doing it right.
Yeah, let's get low cool. Okay, we're gonna start up on low cool. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. That's low cool. Here's low medium, medium, medium high, medium high. It's loud. It's already cold. This thing also has a bunny sail, which is pretty advanced for its time. There we go. Let's go down. We'll go inspect the outside. Very quiet when it's on low. Very quiet unit. Sheena, so I was kind of angry. Had some extra filters here in case anything. Because you never know what these filters can crap out for you. So yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, let's go to fan only. I am. Fan only. There's the compressor off. Let's go through the fans off. Medium, low, medium, medium high. It even has a 3-minute delay, which is really nice. So we're gonna wait and I'll put it on cool for y'all. Yeah. I decided to try to get the start from the outside of the compressor, so I'm gonna put you guys up by the compressor and I'll give you guys a startup. Okay, last up, we're gonna start up on high cool and we'll end off the video. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's start up on high cool. 3, 2, 1. By the way, guys, there's these fans here. Here's a Rosenta, already broke. He's a junk. Modern fan. Has turbo as well. It's kind of cool. I like it. It's kind of cool. I like it. I have a tower fan that is not being used. We have this polar air fan. Very off topic, but let me show you all the fans. Here's here. Then we have this, what kind is this thing? Edge Star fan. Yeah. Also, one more thing about this Quietmaster. I'm going to show you what the compressor sounds like in between speeds. I did it on the outside side, but we're going to do it again. One more time. Then we'll end off the video. That's your compressor sound. Okay, there we go. So that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Out! See y'all in the next one. That's your compressor sound. Yes, it is. First startup.
Check it. So.